In this tutorial video, we'll cover how to link your bank account to your Gemini crypto trading account. First, log into your Gemini account and select Settings. Once you're on the Settings page, select Payment Methods in the left-hand menu, and then you'll click Link Bank. We use Plaid. This will let you hook up any bank account, including Solera. Just type in Solera, select that, enter your login credentials. This is what you use to log into Solera Bank online. Once you enter those login credentials, you'll be prompted to get emailed a security code. Select your email address and get that security code via email. When you enter the security code, remove the dash. Just put numbers in, then click Submit. What this is going to do is connect your Gemini crypto trading account to your Solera bank account for your 401k trust or your IRA LLC. Once the accounts are linked, you'll select which Solera bank account you want to connect, then press Continue. Then you'll see a success message. You'll be taken back to your dashboard here. Give the page a second to refresh, and you'll see your Solera bank account is now linked. Click Verify Bank, and then you will want to do a deposit, usually a wire, to really finish connecting the bank, which you can do in this screen.